Welcome to our exploration of gene therapy in healthcare. In recent years, gene therapy has emerged as a revolutionary approach, offering hope for treating and even curing diseases once thought untreatable. By targeting the very building blocks of life, our genes, this therapy aims to correct genetic disorders at their source. Today, we'll journey through the science, applications, and future of gene therapy, understanding how it's reshaping the medical landscape and what it means for patients and providers alike. Gene therapy refers to techniques that modify a person's genes to treat or prevent disease. Unlike traditional treatments that address symptoms, gene therapy targets the underlying genetic causes. This can involve replacing faulty genes, inactivating malfunctioning ones, or introducing new genes to help the body fight disease. The goal is to provide a long-lasting solution, potentially offering cures where none existed before. Let's delve deeper into how these methods work and their significance in modern medicine. The journey of gene therapy began in the 1970s, with scientists envisioning the possibility of correcting genetic defects. The first approved gene therapy trial occurred in 1990, targeting a rare immune disorder. Since then, advances in molecular biology and technology have propelled the field forward. Today, gene therapy is no longer just experimental, it's a growing part of clinical practice, with several therapies approved for use. This historical perspective helps us appreciate the progress and challenges faced along the way. Its core, gene therapy works by delivering genetic material into a patient's cells. This is often done using vectors, which are carriers like modified viruses. These vectors transport the therapeutic gene into the target cells where it can begin to function. The process is highly precise, aiming to minimize side effects and maximize benefits. Understanding this mechanism is key to appreciating why gene therapy holds such promise for treating a wide range of diseases. Gene therapy can be classified into two main types, somatic and germline. Somatic gene therapy targets non-reproductive cells, meaning changes affect only the treated individual. Germline therapy, on the other hand, involves reproductive cells, so changes can be passed to future generations. Currently, most approved therapies are somatic, as germline modifications raise significant ethical concerns. This distinction is important for understanding the scope and impact of gene therapy in healthcare. Viral vectors are commonly used in gene therapy because viruses are naturally adept at delivering genetic material into cells. Scientists modify these viruses to remove harmful components, making them safe for therapeutic use. Popular vectors include adenoviruses, lentiviruses, and adeno-associated viruses. Each type has unique advantages and limitations, influencing their suitability for different diseases. The choice of vector is a critical step in designing effective gene therapy. While viral vectors are popular, non-viral methods are also being developed. These include techniques like electroporation, liposomes, and nanoparticles. Non-viral methods can reduce immune responses and are often easier to produce. However, they may be less efficient at delivering genes into cells. Ongoing research aims to improve these technologies, expanding the options available for safe and effective gene therapy. Gene editing tools like CRISPR-Cas9 have revolutionized gene therapy. These technologies allow precise changes to DNA, enabling correction of mutations at their source. CRISPR is faster, cheaper, and more accurate than previous methods, making it a game-changer in the field. Its applications extend beyond therapy to research and diagnostics, opening new possibilities for personalized medicine. One of the most promising uses of gene therapy is treating inherited genetic disorders. Conditions like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and hemophilia are caused by specific gene mutations. By correcting or replacing the faulty gene, gene therapy offers the potential for lasting cures. Several clinical trials have shown remarkable results, giving hope to patients and families affected by these challenging diseases. Gene therapy is also making strides in cancer treatment. By modifying immune cells or introducing genes that target cancer cells, therapies can enhance the body's natural defenses. CAR T-cell therapy, for example, engineers a patient's own immune cells to attack cancer. These advances are leading to new, more effective treatments for cancers that were once difficult to manage. Rare diseases often lack effective treatments due to their low prevalence. Gene therapy offers a lifeline for these patients by addressing the root genetic causes. Recent approvals for therapies targeting spinal muscular atrophy and inherited blindness highlight the potential for gene therapy to change lives. As research progresses, more rare diseases may become treatable, bringing hope to underserved communities. Gene therapy is a cornerstone of personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. By understanding a patient's unique genetic profile, doctors can design therapies that are more effective and have fewer side effects. This approach is transforming healthcare, making treatments more precise and outcomes more predictable. Despite its promise, gene therapy faces significant challenges. These include delivery efficiency, immune responses, and the high cost of development. Ensuring long-term safety and effectiveness is also crucial. Researchers are working to overcome these obstacles, making gene therapy safer, more accessible, and more affordable for patients worldwide. Gene therapy raises important ethical questions, especially regarding germline modifications and access to treatment. Who decides which conditions should be treated? How do we ensure equity and avoid misuse? These debates are ongoing, involving scientists, ethicists, and the public. Addressing these concerns is essential for responsible advancement of gene therapy. Gene therapy is tightly regulated to ensure patient safety. Agencies like the FDA and EMA review therapies for safety, efficacy, and quality before approval. The regulatory process is rigorous, requiring extensive clinical trials and ongoing monitoring. This ensures that only safe and effective therapies reach patients, building trust in this innovative field. High cost of gene therapy remains a barrier for many patients. Developing and manufacturing these therapies is complex and expensive. Efforts are underway to reduce costs and improve access, including new payment models and partnerships between governments and industry. Making gene therapy affordable and available to all who need it is a key goal for the future. There are already inspiring success stories in gene therapy. Patients with inherited blindness have regained vision, and children with fatal immune disorders now lead healthy lives. These breakthroughs demonstrate the real-world impact of gene therapy, offering hope and motivation for continued research and development. Research in gene therapy is advancing rapidly. Scientists are exploring new delivery methods, improving safety, and expanding the range of treatable diseases. Clinical trials are underway for conditions like muscular dystrophy, Huntington's disease, and even some forms of heart disease. The future holds exciting possibilities as our understanding and technology continue to grow. Gene therapy's impact is being felt worldwide. Countries are investing in research and building infrastructure to support clinical trials and treatment centers. International collaboration is accelerating progress, ensuring that advances benefit patients everywhere, not just in wealthier nations. This global perspective is vital for the equitable development of gene therapy. For patients, gene therapy can be life-changing. The process often involves a single treatment followed by careful monitoring. Many patients experience dramatic improvements in their quality of life with fewer symptoms and less need for ongoing medication. Patient stories highlight the human side of this scientific breakthrough, reminding us of the ultimate goal: better health and hope for the future. Healthcare providers play a crucial role in gene therapy, from identifying eligible patients to administering treatment and monitoring outcomes. Training and education are essential to ensure providers can deliver these advanced therapies safely and effectively. As gene therapy becomes more common, providers will be at the forefront of integrating it into routine care. Public understanding of gene therapy is growing, but misconceptions remain. Education campaigns and transparent communication are vital to build trust and ensure informed decision-making. As more therapies become available, public awareness will help patients and families make the best choices for their health. The future of gene therapy is bright. Advances in technology, research, and collaboration are paving the way for new treatments and cures. As challenges are overcome, gene therapy will become an integral part of healthcare, offering hope to millions. The journey is just beginning and the possibilities are limitless. Gene therapy's impact extends beyond medicine, influencing society as a whole. It raises questions about identity, disability, and the definition of health. As we embrace these new technologies, ongoing dialogue is needed to ensure that societal values and ethical principles guide their use. Collaboration between scientists, clinicians, industry, and governments is essential for advancing gene therapy. Sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise accelerates progress and ensures that breakthroughs reach patients faster. This spirit of teamwork is driving innovation and making gene therapy a reality for more people. Children with genetic disorders are among the biggest beneficiaries of gene therapy. Early intervention can prevent serious complications and improve long-term outcomes. Pediatric gene therapy requires special considerations, including dosing and long-term monitoring, but the potential benefits are life-changing for young patients and their families. Beyond rare and inherited diseases, gene therapy is being explored for chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. By addressing the genetic factors underlying these illnesses, gene therapy could offer new treatment options and improve quality of life for millions of people worldwide. After receiving gene therapy, patients require ongoing monitoring to assess effectiveness and detect any side effects. Regular follow-up visits and tests help ensure that the therapy is working as intended and that any issues are addressed promptly. This careful approach maximizes benefits and minimizes risks. Patient advocacy groups play a vital role in advancing gene therapy. They raise awareness, support research, and help patients navigate treatment options. By giving patients a voice, these organizations ensure that therapies meet real-world needs and that access is expanded for all who can benefit. Gene therapy marks the beginning of a new era in healthcare. By addressing diseases at their genetic roots, it offers hope for cures and improved quality of life. As technology advances and access expands, gene therapy will become an increasingly important tool for doctors and patients. The journey is ongoing, but the future is full of promise.